do you know, don't you? Hey Now, Oasis. What an absolute tune and a highly underrated album track. I hope you checked out my podcast on Tuesday at 6 o'clock, all about Oasis, the summer of 25. Now, I'm going to talk you through these chords. We've got a G and an E minor. Quite basic to start with, and you're thinking, yeah, another easy null tune. But there's a few twists and turns, okay? So it starts with this. Really effective, and then it builds up. I hitched a ride with my soul by the side of the road, just as the sky turned black. I took a walk with my fame down memory lane, never to find my way back. You know that, etc. Now then we get to this naughty chord. Nobody likes it, but I want you to try it, a B flat. If you do not like barring, then you can do this, which is bottom left-hand corner on the E string, and then you take the G and the B string like so, and you hit the last the last four strings. You could do that, but I want you to try. I thought that I heard someone say now, there's no time for running away now. Hey now, hey now. Feel no shame. Isn't it just great? His vocal for me on that song, my God, it's absolutely out of the park. I would say, personally, the best song on Morning Glory, and I know that's a bold statement. You'd be like, bloody hell, Rich, what about Wonderwall? Don't Look Back in Anger? Champagne Supernova? Yes, they are all great tunes, but I just think this, for me personally, is a special tune, and I'd like you to try it with me. So there are your chords, G and E minor. You've also got the sneaky B flat, then to A minor, then to C, and then back to G. Okay, and if you are feeling adventurous on the guitar, you can check out my Richard Guitar Mastery Bundle at richard-guitar.co.uk. Plenty of guitar courses to make you a better player. Or if you're feeling even more adventurous and more serious and really want to take your learning to another level, you can join my private members area over on Patreon. Links in and around this screen, and please keep checking out my Oasis podcast every Tuesday at 6 o'clock. See you soon.